Hi and welcome back to the channel. I always like to have an introduction that's a little bit different and interesting. I'm not sure what this particular topic's going to be, but it's over here. If you look at the graphics, could be over here, but probably over here. Anyway, enjoy, press subscribe, and this week is a very interesting video, as always, I'm sure. Great news for those who've got Samsung UI number 3, Android operating system number 11. Without doing much, in fact probably nothing, in about a week from now you will get at least another 20% battery life. Let me show you what's happened. Okay, so I turn on the phone, it's already on, and you go to device manager. I go to the battery. And you can see I've been using this quite a lot already today. I've got 74% left. If I tap on here, I've had the screen hour for 2 hours, just over. So that means I should get, based on yesterday, I should be getting between 7 and 8 hours. This is on my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Exynos. So you probably get even way more if you've got the American version. So these are all the apps. But let me show you something else. Here, under more battery settings, tap on this and you'll notice background usage limits. You tap on that. Notice deep sleeping apps 68. Now what happens here, it actually does it automatically by itself. Previously I had about 3 or 4 under deep sleeping apps, which I personally moved to. But these are the ones that it's just done it by itself, automatically added, because I hadn't used them recently. Now, the only negative, and I've not found this actually, is that theoretically they may not get updates, but I'm finding they all get updates at the moment anyway. So this results, so the great news, because the only weakness I found with this phone was the battery life, frankly. And I've done some videos how to extend the battery quite substantially previously, links below somewhere. But this should make a major difference, and look at that, should last 17 hours, 53 minutes, nearly 18 hours, nothing wrong with that. And I haven't turned off anything. I've got location on, I've got Bluetooth on, I've got pretty much everything on all the time, including always on display. So that is great news for everyone. Great way to start the new year. You can have a lot longer battery. Just take about a week to 2 weeks before it really settles down, and it automatically does it. So enjoy your Samsung phone with UI 11, UI 3, Android 11, and I'd appreciate if you press subscribe and share this video. Thanks again, be safe, see you soon.